One of the great features about using databases is that you can save any article or any item in the database directly to your Google Drive. So before you start, you want to make sure that you are logged into the Google account that you want to save to somewhere on your computer, on your browser. And then once you're in an article, so I'm going to go through each database. Right now I'm in EBSCO Explorer, or at least one database from each company, so you can see where the Google Drive save is. So once you get to the article level, you can save things to your Google Drive. So here in this article, I chose Library of Congress as my topic for this demo. So you'll see all the articles are about that. You simply go to your tools here. It might be hidden. You can open it up. You're going to look for that Google Drive icon. You click Google Drive, and usually it will ask you, if you haven't saved an article from that database before, it'll ask you to give permission to talk to your Google Drive, and then you click OK, and then you'll find that article in your Google Drive. If I go to, so that's in EBSCO. In Infobase, this one takes a lot more work. I had to create an account in EBSCO. So you can see up here, I'm signed in as Ms. Chibi. Once I do that, I can link it to my Google Drive and save to the Google Drive. And that one took a little bit longer. I might have saved it twice. Then I can click here. Usually gives you an option to open it right in the Google Drive. And so here we'll go into my Google Drive, and you can see it's a little slow. I see that I uploaded several articles, Library of Congress. So they're right there. So that's Infobase. Gale is one of the easiest. I don't have to create an account. And it says send to Google Drive. So just like EBSCO, those are easier than Infobase. Documents have been sent to Google Drive. I click OK. I'll be able to go into my Google Drive and find it. Gale will create an orange folder. So I'll have a folder that says Gale in Context High School. And anything I save from this particular database will be in that folder in my Google Drive. Proquest, I believe, also creates a folder for you. So here's the article again. I searched Library of Congress. I opened one of the articles in each of the databases. So here I'm in Proquest eLibrary. We have several different databases by Proquest. And generally, once you're in that company, regardless of the database, it'll be in the same spot. So here it says Save to Cloud. I click on that, and then I have to click again on Google Drive. So that takes 2 clicks on that one, but still very streamlined and easy. And then also our encyclopedias. So we have World Book Encyclopedia. Once I'm in an article, so I searched Library of Congress. I chose the main article on the Library of Congress and has that beautiful photograph. So I go under my tools, I go to save in this case, and I'm going to save to Google Drive. And this one, obviously I have not done this before on this particular computer, and so I choose my account and I say, yes, let's allow World Book to save to that account, and it's going to save that article for me. And then finally, Britannica, the same thing. Here we have a nice exterior photo, and I go to send to, right? So you want to look for save or send to, and in this case, I'm going to go to Google Drive. All of them usually have also an email option or a Microsoft option if you prefer using Microsoft, but I know most of us with Schoology, because it interacts with Schoology, use Google Drive, and that's where your Gmail is for school email. So that's how you save your articles to Google Drive. Of course, we have more databases, Salem History Press and others. And again, you want to look for that send to, save, and or the Google Drive icon. And that will allow you to save articles, videos, images, whatever it is in the database to your Google Drive.